I'd like to remind you that before we sail today, it's important that you review the emergency notice placed on the back of your stateroom door and attend your assembly station for familiarization purposes. When attending your assembly station, you must ensure that a member of the crew registered your identification card. You should also watch the live jacket demonstration, which is featured on channel 21 of your stateroom television. Should you not yet have completed these items, then we would request that you do so as soon as possible. Thank you.
Nice view, guys. Ayos ba, guys? Hello. See that, guys? You see that? Epic. Talaga po mga Pilates. Ganito na lang. Ayaw, guys, eh. Tingnan nyo. Dalawa. Tapos ito si Aida. Aida. Maraming dumadaan na, guys, kasi they have guests walking around here, so that's why I'm so shy. Say hello, guys. Hello. Comment your name in the comment section, then shout out for you. Yo, guys. Hi, one viewers. Only one. Hello, guys. Hello. I'm here at Queen Victoria Cruise Ship, guys. And for now, hello, guys. Talaga. Kaya, pagtyagaan nyo na pag ito. Malinaw ba? Ganito. Fuck. Hello, guys. What's up?